di ba man pagka po pinapakulot na damage? Yung sa inyo po hindi. Inalagaan niyo po, no?
Anong grade po nito? Sino po si Kisses? 400, 400.
Ano, ate may madulas.
Yes.
For her.
Ma'am, di talaga kumakanta yan. Kumanta na yun para sa'yo. Yo.
Yo. Ah, there. Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Eh, alam niyo ma'am, ang tunay na maganda. Kahit nakaganto na yung buhok. Maganda na.
Like
ikaw.
mine. You like mine? I mean, like this one. Hey, better though. Better.
Na. I am beautiful in every single way. Words can't bring me down. No, no.
Pero si bring me down.
Today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bawal ka tumawa, ma'am. Bawal ba yung tumawa? Joke! Mabili tumawa mo. Sabihin mo yung pangalan mo. Pangalan. Kim. Ate Kim.
Si Kim.
Hello, Kim Chu. Hey, kayo, chick. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Ay, sorry ka. Sayang, dun mo na ka.
We're making a lot of
Ate Kim, mo. Yung makeup po natin, Ate Kim.
Please?
Ah,
Yes?
yes! Upgrade! Upgrade si Ate Kim sa makeup! Yay! Yay! Ha? Makeup? Makeup din. Makeup din, ate? Sige po. Yeah! Ako mag-makeup. Makeup, makeup. Yay! Okay.
Correct.
Sir Mark! Ikaw na lang ang kulang sa makeup, Sir Mark! Makeup po, makeup na po.
It's okay. It's okay.
Makeup, makeup, Sir Mark!
Yeah. Huh? I'm not a ninja. What? Like that. Ah.
Customer number what po? Number
7.
7.
Ah, see? I know. It's okay?
Makeup, yay!
Wait, watch out. Wait, one moment.
Medyo pa ba si Kuya
Evan,
Ninja?
can you help me out? Her hair fell out.
Edward, wait. Please, patulungan si Edward. Yung sa pag-hot. Kasi hindi nahulog.
Vibree, could you help me out for a second?
Hmm?
Her hair fell out of the...
Clip.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, I'm not sure what to do now. Should we take off the cellophane?
Here.
And replace the cellophane? Ma'am, we're going to replace the cellophane.
Yes?
Wow.
Po? Siya na pag-isipan. Ha, okay lang po.
Saan si Kuya Ninja?
Kailangan Sanrio, Vibree. Sanrio. Kailangan. Sanrio kailangan. Yung last stick mo. Yung rubber.
Hindi ko yun alam.
So, slidey.
Yeah. But it will look great. Alright, can you put the...